Good morning, Oklahoma, and welcome to Cow-Calf Corner. Our topic this week is best management practices for replacement heifers here as we get a few weeks away from spring breeding season. Typically in Oklahoma, one of the things that works to our benefit, if we have selected replacement heifers back in the fall out of springborns, we've got good cool season grass or wheat pasture that we can develop those heifers on. The two general rules of thumb we always talk about: in order to have heifers calving at 2 years of age, which we know is a really economically important threshold, those heifers need to be 14 to 15 months of age at the beginning of breeding season and about 2/3 of their mature weight. In a normal year in Oklahoma with good wheat pasture, that's pretty easy to accomplish. If we identify those heifers born earlier in the calving season, age works to their advantage, and it's a good indicator that they're out of the cows who bred up sooner in their own calving season. So if we are in a situation right now where that target weight or being at 2/3 of the mature weight is a little behind because we haven't had really good cool season grass, the good news is we've still got time to grow those heifers more rapidly. If we've collected some data on our cow herd, we know what our 4 to 7 year old cows weigh at the time we wean. We can take 2/3 of that benchmark and know what the target weight is that we need those heifers at the beginning of breeding season, so they are having fertile heats and ready to breed up as promptly as possible. Hope this helps, and thanks for joining us on Cow-Calf Corner.